What is up, mga Repa Peeps? So today we are at Ski Martok for our snowboard on a weekend, and just want to share you something. So snowboarding, this kind of sport or hobby, I'll be straight up to you. It is going to be very expensive when you are going to start. When we are still beginners, actually. So when we began with this one, it's kind of costly, but there is always ways, or there are always ways on how you are going to keep costs low and make this sport or hobby more affordable or very affordable. And the first thing that you are going to do is this one. Right now here in Martok, there is an event actually. Um, so Burton is here, and we are going up to register and see what they have. I'm interested in buying a step-on bindings. Maybe it's on sale, but I'm not sure. If it's on sale, then it would be great. If not, then we'll see. Okay, has someone's okay has the same board as hers. She has her new board right now, and we are on our way to the Burton kiosk right now. So Burton's gonna be here until 1 p.m. today. I want to try one of their step-ons. I already have my own um, boots already for the bindings. I should have brought it. I forgot it, unfortunately. Then, so I can't try them on. It's a different brand actually. It's not a Burton boots, so that's why I want to try it. So I can't do it for now, but that's okay. Some other time. So right now we are just warming up that here on the bunny hill. So just one tip: if you want to have more space on the bunny hill, you better go here early, or you better go early at any ski resorts, so that you will have the almost all of the place yourself, and then you have more space to practice. And so here's what you're going to do. This is the first step, or the first thing that you're going to do if you are going to start snowboarding and to keep costs low and make it affordable. First, purchase your season pass, because if you're going to purchase season pass, it's going to be very cheap for you. It's because once you purchase a season pass, you can go to the ski resort anytime you want, any time of the day, and it feels like unlimited already, because 1 day pass alone, if you're going to buy separate passes, it is going to be expensive. I assure you that. Because let's just say, for example, here in Ski Market, 1 day pass is worth around $55 plus taxes. So that the $55, that excludes your equipment. So that doesn't include any rental yet. So you need to buy also your own equipment by yourself. I'll share with you later on how you're going to keep costs low when you are going to buy your own equipment. And then, yep, so buy first your season pass, and then buy your season pass during sale. I mean, during monthly sale. So right now, today is today is March. So the spring season is almost approaching already. So you buy the spring sale season pass, and it's going to be very worth it. Like for example, here in Ski Martok, their special price for the season pass is $169 plus taxes. It's really really affordable. And then if you are just going to go here 3 times or 4 times, it is going to pay off already. So buy your season pass. That is what I'm going to that is what I'm going to recommend as a beginner, because we've been there. And for you to avoid any mistakes like what you did, because we didn't buy the season pass before, we only bought it at the middle of the sale season, and we regret that, because what we bought was more expensive. So buy a season pass right now. So if you are from Halifax, Nova Scotia, and then if you are near Martok, you buy the their season pass right now for the whole month of March. And then disclaimer: I'm not working for Mount Martok. I'm just sharing this with you so that you'll have a good experience with your snowboarding when you're still going to start. Because as me and Kay, the bunny here, um, she's also a beginner. I'm also a beginner. We want you to start we want you to have a good start as well. And again, I'm not paid by Martok, okay? So I'm not being sponsored also. But hey, Martok, maybe if you could give some favor out there, we'll take that. Stop recording.